she like move
Do
forward?
it to me. You have to do it to me. Get down, get down.
Ow!
Get down. Whoa, you're tall.
No, duh.
I can't-
State the obvious, Kara.
My feet can't even touch the ground.
You're right, Kara's feet doesn't even...
Get it, horses. Ah!
State the obvious. I didn't get my perfect
fantasy. Realize you love yourself more than you could ever love me. So go and tell your friends that I'm obsessive and crazy. That's
Hell, yours.
Why didn't you're gay? By the way.
I hate that. Hopping the ground, horsey. Brooke, wait, don't go up. Get down. Brooke, ready?
Mhm.
Don't get stand. Brooke, look. Brooke. Get it, horse.
Stop. Like, oh.
Oh, no, I love you.
Aw,
you're so
look at the happy couple.
They're awesome. She's breaking my back.
No, it's better that you're better than Brooke.
Are you making a video?
No.
That's like the lifeguard.
Yeah, it's like the lifeguard all over again.
You're making.
Get down, please.
No, you're happy.
Here, I bet I can carry Kara. I bet I can do it. Here.
Get down. Get down the floor.
Oh my God, you were recording. You're so mean.
Keep recording it. Record me and Kara. Ah, Kara, God. She's not that heavy. She's actually pretty light. How can you not carry her? She's so light. Alright, Kara.
Pump, pump, pump.
We need a saddle. Ow!
Pump, pump, pump.
Ow! Oh, shoot. And you're up.
Better.
No, I'm better.
Get down. Get down. You're better. You're better.
No,
Get
I'm
down.
better.
Get down.
No, I'm better. Okay, that's enough, guys.
Oh my God.
One more time. One more time.
You have to give me. I'll give you a big bed. Get on the bed.
Why? What am I doing? No, I don't want to do
Piggyback
that.
ride. I swear to God.
Only Kara only lets me do that.
Yeah. Look, at my hands are connected.
Okay, get down.
I am not connected.
No, Nicolina, I mean Kara. And let me take her for once.
How?
Here, hurry, because it only has a couple minutes left. Ready, Kara? Get on.
Wait.
Oh, shoot, are you...
Pump, pump,
No,
pump,
hurry,
pump.